going, now it's going even faster. This is unbelievable. The bird, this muted swan is actually moving. Look at that. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this. It actually rotates now. Watch, the muted swan will start moving. This is the fastest I've seen it so far, the wind. It hasn't come any faster than this. Look at this. This is how fast it's going. Can you believe it? Look. Here it comes. Wow. Look at it now. Oh my God. This feels like it's the eye of the storm. Look at that. This is unbelievable. Look, see now how it's unbelievable now. This is the fastest it's ever been. Unbelievable. You can really see it on this angle. I'm glad I figured that out. That's how fast it is. Unbelievable. I can actually hear the wind howling over here. I wonder if the video, if you can captures the howling wind. Look at it now, see? It's gone the other way now, see? This is like unbelievable. Look at the winds. This is really unbelievable. Every time a bunch of different directions of the wind come, the pinwheel just sort of takes a break and then it starts again and it just goes crazy. This is like, I've never seen it go this fast before. That's why I had to come out again. Notice how the other one slows down because the winds, there's so many different directions of the winds that it's like west, it's east, it's north, it's south. It's like we're in the eye of the storm right now. That's what it looks like in terms of the wind. It's pretty spectacular. And the bird is actually, the muted swan is actually rotating as well. You might not be able to see that because it's so quick, but it's actually rotating. This is unbelievable. I'm glad I'm taking this. Saturday, January 23rd at about 2 o'clock. My God, holy schmoly. Holy muted swan pinwheel. See it move? See, sometimes you can't even see it move because it's the wind, it's moving so quickly that the video, it looks like you can't even see it, but it is actually rotating. Not all the way, partially, and then it goes back in the other direction. I'm getting cold staying here. I'm going to probably stop soon. But you hear the wind from the... It's pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. Look at that. Pretty incredible. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Okay, I guess I'm going to stop for now. But you see the bird, the muted swan is actually rotating back and forth on a slight angle. I'd say like maybe on a 15, 20 degree angle, and then it's going back again. It's going south and then back north again. And the wind is like north, south, east, and west. It's all over.